So what you're going to need, the space that you're going to need at minimum is, as you know, the piano is grouped into, with the black keys are grouped in groups of 2 and 3, 2 and 3. You're going to need a group of 3 for each hand, plus your pinkies. So you need this note, and you need this note. And basically, those are the notes you need, okay? They fit nicely with the shape of your hand. Long fingers on the group of 3, thumbs, pinkies. Okay? Now, on the one spot where, at the end of the pre-chorus, just before the chorus, it's the part where it talks about being tired. You're going to need this note. Just in that hand, okay? So there's one spot at the end of the pre-chorus where you need that. Otherwise, these are the only notes that you need. Now the right hand almost always is only going to play 2 notes, this one and this one, the entire time. With the exception of when we get to this note, we're going to play with our thumb and our pinky. Kind of a cool sound. So the whole time, you're just going to simply go like this. Okay? For the left hand, what we need to know is where's our do and where is fa, so, and la. So here's do. So knowing that that's do, ti, la, so, fa. So fa, so, la, ti, do. And then there's re on that one spot at the end of the pre-chorus. So this note, do, is going to be played quite a lot, and it's your home spot. So it's the place where we begin, and it will be the place where we end. So I'm getting my hands in place. Now every time my left hand plays, it's the equivalent of 1 box on our solfege chart, or 1 bar. So each time I play a note, we are holding it for 4 beats, and that is 1 box on our solfege chart. So it goes like this. My right hand is basically always going to play these 2 notes. So that's an F sharp. This is a B. So our do and our so all the time. Okay? And here we begin. Okay, now for the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus begins on la, and it's going to do the same pattern 3 times in a row, and then the last time is where we hit the re, and then we're going to end on so. Okay, so just watch. There's one line that repeats 3 times. Here we go. La. Okay, now for the chorus. Chorus is very simple, actually. It goes like this. 4 dos, 4 fas, to la, and repeat that again. Okay, let's try put the whole thing together. Beginning with the intro is 8 bars long, and then going into the verse, which is also 8 bars. Verse 1 we do 2 times, but we'll just do it once. So 8 bars, and then pre-chorus is 16 and the chorus is 16. Here we go.